Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you? I hope you will be all right and enjoying at your home. Here we are with unit 4 lesson 5. Open your book. OPE page number 25. Dear students, look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Can you see a tower? Can you see some children picking flowers? Dear students, now we are going to study a line about this picture, that the children picking flowers near the tower. Here is the poem. First we have to read the poem very carefully and complete the exercise 1. Now dear students, exercise 1 says, read and underline the syllables in each line that have the same vowel sound. Dear students, you must know about this vowel sound. And as you know about the vowels A, E, I, O, U, these are the vowels, and vowel sounds are just like that. This is vowel E and this sound like each, and this is vowel A and sounds like have, because they have different sounds. Okay, dear students, at some time, at some place, vowels have same sound, just like here, have and same. A vowel has the same sound. Okay, but it's not really the same. At some place, A has the different sound, just like in ask. In ask, A has the different sound. Here in this each vowel E has the sound, and read vowel E has the same sound, read, each. Okay, but in the word line, vowel E doesn't have the same sound. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस पोएम में हम उन वर्ड्स को सिलेक्ट करेंगे जिसमें वॉवल्स भी सेम हो और उनके साउंड भी सेम हो। पर डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हर जगह पे ऐसा नहीं होता। कहाँ वॉवल चेंज होता है लेकिन साउंड सेम होता है, कहीं वॉवल सेम होता है पर साउंड चेंज होता है। तो यहाँ पे हमें इस चीज़ को समझना है कि वॉवल तो चेंज हो सकते हैं पर हमें साउंड जो है वो सेम अंडरलाइन करना है। Dear students, first we have to know what is the syllable. Syllable is one or more vowel sound alone or combined with consonant. Just remember that a word has the different sounds. Okay, these sounds we call syllable. Here is word put. It has one syllable because it had one put. Okay, one syllable. Putting, there are two syllables. Putting, because there are two vowels. Putting. Okay, here is the word run, one syllable, and here is the word running, there is two syllable. And this is the word courage. Courage, it has three syllables. As the vowel come, the syllable change and the sound will become change. First, let's read the poem. The nurse was reading verses and feeling words and worth. I drew a blue moon while it grew and grew, she sang. Children were picking flowers by the tower for hours and hours. I feel my knees hurt when I kneel, one said. When's our next meal? Woman rang the bell in the well as the fishermen tried to sell fish. Yesterday I read my book in bed in my red nightshirt. One said, could you look for my coat? She won with the hood. She stood still and then put one foot on the pile of wood. Let's read 3 lines again. Woman rang the bell in the well as the fisherman tried to sell fish. Yesterday I read my book in bed in my red nightshirt. One said, could you look for my coat? The one with the hood. She stood still and then put one foot on the pile of wood. Hungry monkeys were running up and down the trees. They must be looking for honey or money, one said. I saw a poor man who fought hard and then caught his foot in the door. He taught me not to say any more. Here in the first line we have given the example like nurse, words. Dear students, you can see here how the vowel changes but the sound is the same. Nurse. VER, verses. Feeling verse and words here. Okay, verses means the lines of any poem, like these. You can take the example, these are the verses. Okay, feeling verse means very bad. I drew a blue moon while it grew and grew, she sang. Here is the word drew, blue moon, because in moon the O, double O, we can say there is a double O, that means the same sound in the O. Okay, while it grew and grew is the same, GREW. Okay, but we are not underlining the word while, because it has also E, it has E, but it has not the same sound. Okay, clear? We have to underline the same sound. I drew a blue moon while it grew and grew. Okay, now here is the, in this line, flowers by the tower for hours and hours. We can look at the ending sounds, hours, or ER, because ER, and here is the same word is E and E. Same vowel sound is E, and here the same vowel sound is OURs. We can say here hours. Okay, not hours. Okay, hours. I feel, here is the double vowel, means same sound. Feel, knees. Okay, we have the same sound here. Feel, knees, heart when I kneel. Okay. One says, when's our next meal? Woman rang the bell as the fisherman tried to sell fish. Here is the word fish. Fish. Woman rang bell, well. Dear students, as I gave the instructions to you, underline the remaining words on your notebook. As I have underlined these all words, now you have to underline these all words first in your in this book OPE, and write these words on your notebook. So dear students, exercise 2 is write the words with the same vowel sound in your exercise book. First you have to write these words line by line on your notebook. So dear students, memorize this poem very carefully. Read this poem and memorize this, and write the word that I have underlined on your notebook. Dear students, it is your homework. Do your homework very carefully. I'll be back with the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.